Welcome back. We are going to be fixing the dry spots. Finally, I got the bag of seed here ready to go. It was 103 degrees Fahrenheit yesterday. It's like 93 something. I don't know. It'd be like 96 maybe by the late afternoon. And actually in about 3 days, it's going to be nothing but in the 80s, finally. So we're going to get all the dry spots fixed. Today though, what we're going to do first is on this side, I'm going to leave this side alone. We're going to come back and work on this tomorrow. We're doing this side tomorrow. But this side's looking quite nice. Up here, the sprinkler is missing. So we're going to fix that sprinkler. But then, you know, everything's good. Down here, I'll throw a little bit of seed and stuff, but it is pretty much there. But what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be working on this spot right here. We're going to get this fixed up and get that mulch out of there that's been covering that soil. I put the mulch on top so that the soil didn't get fried. We'll see how it looks. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But yeah, we're going to be fixing that. I got the soil right here, and then we'll fix this little one right here as well. And then tomorrow's video, we'll be doing that other side, and then we've got some like 2 spots in the back. Everything else in the back looks fantastic though. And then of course at the end here, we'll go check on the bent grass. I've been watering it every day, and it's starting to come in a little bit, so we'll see how it's doing. And yeah, dealing with the heat. So we're finally, I don't know if the 80s are going to stick around, but you know, like there was one day that was like 78 was the high, 79. So I was like, this is the perfect time to get this turf type tall fescue down. Thanks to everyone's suggestions. And then also thank you for the suggestions from last week's video. I've got some stuff I ordered. I got some fish stuff from the Tractor Supply place. Well, I guess it's our version of that. We do have those stores too. Yeah, I got some of that, and I did have this one. I'll show you just in case. And you were saying that you put molasses down too. I've got some molasses as well. But I had this one. This stuff smells so bad. It's so horrible, the smell of it. We'll be getting down some of this soon as well, some spoon juice. And there's like some RGS back here. I've got some potassium, lawn food 0025 right there as well. So down in here, I've got the Hydrotane. This BioMP, this has molasses in it. That's a good one. That's actually a pretty good one. Maybe we'll use this here in about 2 weeks or so, something like that. And then I've got the In Charge 2800 right there. This is just more of the spoon juice. And of course, you know, that's a good one. Fungicide. I believe that's what that one is. Suspend. Tenacity. That looks like it's no good. Of course, your the good one. Spreader sticker. And humic. Is that humic? Yeah, humic 12. Yeah, but this one right here, this one's got molasses in it for sure. I'm pretty positive it does. It's a 532. Yeah, non-plant ingredients, soluble carbohydrates, molasses. But yeah, that's the one that that I was talking about when I responded back to your comment and everything. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna mow this area over here real quick, and then we'll come back, rake the mulch away, get down some seed, and then I'll get out the roller, of course, and get it covered with that soil. Yeah, pretty easy day today. It's kind of hazy. It doesn't say the air quality is bad, but I don't really believe it. So like, I don't know, the air feels weird, if that's the best way to explain it. But I mean, look, you can see it, and it's quite, there's a lot of fires going on. There's definitely a lot of fires going on. You see up here in the mountains, you can barely see them. All right, so I don't know. Let's go ahead. Let's get started. Let's go. All right, just finished that up. Wow, it was hot. It's cooling down now a little bit, but yeah, it was definitely, that was getting pretty hot. But we got everything that we needed to get done with this one in the front, the smaller one tomorrow when I fix these other two in the front here. But that was pretty much it. Let me take a look at it real quick. I'm just standing in the shade over here. The shade is starting to come everywhere though. It's starting to get more overcast. But all I'm gonna do is I'll get it watered, kind of monitor it. And if I need to add this extra bag here, I will. I've got another one for this one that we'll be fixing tomorrow. And then remember, we'll be fixing this one that's over here as well. And that. It's just sprinkler problems. I already fixed the sprinklers though, so we don't have to actually do that part. But yeah, I got that done. So yeah, and then we'll do the backyard in another video. So I'm gonna try to keep getting the videos out that way. You can see on the update on everything. But here, let's go check out the bent grass and see how that's doing. The backyard, I might just go ahead and cut tomorrow. I have not cut the bent grass yet though. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the back tomorrow. Grass is super high back here. So you can see everything is basically almost filled in here. But we're gonna cut it just like the front. And yeah, so this needs to be cut. And see if you can see any new growth. Oh, there's some. There's a little bit. It's really hard to see it. But yeah, I'm gonna get this watered and we'll go from there. Oh look, the ants are coming. That's great. They know. That's what it did. Remember, at the beginning of the season, basically, I seeded that, and I swear, it did nothing for a while. And then all of a sudden, it just started appearing out of nowhere. So, I don't know. I think it's looking good. We'll check up on that tomorrow. I'll mow it. So we'll mow that, and we'll do those two spots in the front. And we'll rake back there and see if we can find anything underneath and stuff like that. Here's another shot of over here. I'm gonna get it watered and wrap up the video, and that'll be it. But Looking good, blending in nice. And of course it will settle. I raked all the mulch chips out and all that, so we're good. Thanks for your suggestions. As soon as I get the yard exactly how I want to get it, like in the front and all that, we will go without a bag. So thanks for that suggestion. I'm going to do that. I've just been putting ferts down and everything, and I just didn't want to get a fungus, and somehow I survived and not get a fungus this hot spell. So we'll see though, you never know. Yeah, I will do that, and for sure, I'll definitely go without the bag and we'll see what's up. I mean, half the time it does that because I have a hole in my bag and then I taped it from the inside, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it dries out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Filming another one tomorrow. Got a lot coming up for sure with this cooler weather, but thanks for watching. Peace.